just a plot of a whole book. So just take it and adjust it in the introduction of your essay. So just use it and it will be just like a plot, and you take it and you borrow it from books and you even recreate your idea and write in your essay. So essay, definitely people been writing it for for ages. Even Bacon, he wrote essay. Charles Lamb, he wrote essay. So many critics, writer, philosophers, they've been writing for long times. So this is the practice of the philosophers. This is the practice of the literary men, and they wrote and they even writing on this topic. So you must create very beautiful kind of introduction. You will organize beautiful introductions, and after introduction you should have at least 15 arguments, 15 points related to your topics. And after that, each topic, when you have like 3 points or 3 arguments, it will be taking almost 3 pages, and this so on and so forth you will be writing, and you have to write 2500 to 3000 word you have to write in your essay. So what pros and cons you have to keep in your mind when you are writing essay? First of all, try to read a lot. Read lot of books. So how you are going to read? First of all, prepare themes. You must have themes in your head. You must prepare themes. I have already told you what are the themes. Themes are like education, democracy, energy crisis. So these are the theme you have to prepare. Energy crisis, these are the themes, and they should be at least 8 to 9 in number. Prepare them. So 8 themes should be in your head. Prepare 8 themes, almost approximately 8 themes. And how you are going to read books? Read latest books. In PDF form. If you are unable to purchase book, you can even download from PDF. Just write on Google name of the book. For example, you are interested to read book 21 rule of the 21st century. So how you are going to find these 21 rules of the 21st century? Just write on Google 21 rule of the 21st century in PDF form. Maybe you will be having some summary or like that, and that will be very helpful. So read, and if you find some relevant data related to democracy, just find it and use it, make it as a plot, and use this plot in the introduction of your essay. Then write arguments related to this. And how you are going to get arguments, it's not an easy job. You just writing and ideas just coming in your mind. It's not like that. It does not happen like that. So what you have to do, you have to read books, and after that you have to reorganize data. You have to read, and then you have to organize data. And how you are going to organize? If you have something in your head, then you will organize. First need to have idea in your mind, and then you have to organize. Essay, basically, essay definition of essay: an essay is a structured set of argument in a response to a specific question. Examiner will be posing question, examiner will be asking question, and but your job is to write in a structured set of argument in response to the specific question. Whatever examiner is raising question, whatever examiner is asking question, you have to give answer by sticking to the topics. You're not going here and there and just beating about the bush. What you need to do, your job is to keep in touch, keep to the topic. So you should not go here and there, just scattering your mind here and there, just dispersing your thoughts. Rather, you have to remain, you have to stick to the topics. to give the most relevant idea to the topics. And what is the definition of essay? Definition of essay is an attempt to organize your thoughts. So how you are going to organize your thought? Definition of essay is an attempt. Essay mean an attempt. An attempt to organize your ideas. So how will you organize your idea? You need to know how to manipulate things. You have idea, you want to show, you have lot of information in your head, you have lot of facts, you have lot of idea, you have lot of knowledge, and how you are going to organize? You have to organize it, you have to manipulate it, you have to persuade, you have to expose what you have to describe what you have to manipulate, you have to expose, you have to narrate, you have to persuade, you have to describe. So you must learn skill, describe, how to describe, manipulate, and then persuade. Learn how to persuade. You learn how to expose. You should learn how to narrate. So these are the skill you will use in a way to explain and give answer in structured and argumentative form. It is a response to the specific questions that is structured, argumentative, and it can be in the form of narrative, descriptive, persuasive, and even in the form of sometimes you are manipulating your ideas. So like this you have to give idea in essay. Essay is a structured set of arguments in a response to the specific question. So whatever examiner is asking, you have to give answer. So there are some points you have to consider in a way to write essay. You have to describe, you have to narrate, you have to expose, you have to persuade, you have to manipulate, you have to give arguments, logic, reason, and you have to stick to the topics. You have to create good kind of introduction. For introduction, try to borrow some theme, try to borrow some idea from different books. If you are unable to write yourself, take some idea from different books you are going to study. Essay essay need lot of study. You can't write without idea in your head. First of all, stuff idea in your head so that you can recreate whatever you have in your head. You can recreate whatever you will enter in your subconscious, you will ultimately recall. So how you are going to write? You will reorganize thoughts, idea, manipulate ideas, persuade, expose things. You will give rhetoric, you will give logic, you will give reason, you will give argument, you will prepare points up to 15s, and after you will prepare introductions, solid kind of introductions, and after introductions you will definitely use borrow some idea and put in the introduction, then come to the body and you will give certain points and you will even explain one by one, and then you will maintain cohesion and coherence in your essay, and finally you will go to conclusion. Your conclusion should show coherence. And how you are going to maintain coherence? If you bring cohesive idea, you bring coherence in your essay. So brainstorming is very useful. So once you do brainstorming, it will give you mind mapping. Brainstormings will manage your times. So prepare good outline. I would rather say that outline is just map of essay, map of your essay. So prepare good outline. If it's related to educations, having education themes, democracy, then energy crisis, then international relations, then psychology, philosophy, science. So whatever theme you have, try to organize it. How you are going to organize? Prepare outline. Find thesis statement, and thesis statement will help you to prepare outline. Once you prepare outline, make solid introduction. Introduction, sometimes you have to borrow idea from the books. Just take it and place as introductions, recreate it, reform it, and make it as introductions. Then come to the bodies, and once you come to body, you have to prepare some points and you have to explain these points respectively, and you come to the conclusion. So your essay should consists of coherence and cohesions and clarity and logic and rhetorics, whatever you give, and you will be giving you through your knowledge. Outline definitely will help you to give ideas. Essay, definition of essay mean an attempt to attempt something, and essay mean to attempt, and definitely definition of essay, an attempt to organize your idea. Structure of your idea, how you are going to structure your essay. You should prepare structure of your essay. Bring in your structure, thought, ideas, and argument. Give thoughts, have good ideas, and give good argument in your essay. Then create cohesions and coherence in your. You must have clear thesis statement, because without thesis statement you can't explain. You should have thesis statement. Thesis statement will be helping you to have good outline. You will ultimately prepare your outline from this thesis statement. So these are point, if you want to write your essay, these will help you. Further, I want to guide those people, they are newcomer and they want to learn something related to essay writing. They don't know how to prepare. I will tell you method how to prepare essay, because essay is not just you you demand something, you say that sir kindly teach me essay. So it's not one day job. I have already told you, writers, authors, novelists, dramatists, essayist, they, they people, they've been writing for a long time on this topic. So it's very vast topic. If you find some research article, they are also form of like this essay. Talk about the research article, they are mini form of this essay. Essay is especially this essay, css essay. it's uh, it's a game of knowledge. You can't write without knowledge. You must have skill as well as knowledge, how to organize this, and as well as you need to have knowledge. Ultimately you will give idea through your knowledge. If you don't develop your knowledge, you are unable to write even single paragraphs. So how to write and form paragraph? First of all, you learn how to form sentences. Once you learn how to form sentences, you will be learning about how to form paragraph. You will come to paragraph, you learn, you practice, even you show your teachers. Your teacher will teach you, guide you. You should have guided writing, you should have controlled writing. Teacher will be guiding and providing you practice, and you do practice, and you will show your teacher, and teacher will guide you how to organize your paragraph, and ultimately he'll be taking you towards full essay. You write two paragraph, three paragraph, four paragraph, five, six, and so forth. So on and so forth, you will be learning about essay. It's not one day game. You need to learn sentences first, how to form sentences. Then you come to paragraph. Then finally you will be coming towards essay writing. So let's see what we need to prepare in a way to write essay. For essay writing, you need complete whole. It is a complete whole. First of all, it is not just learning sentences, or you can't learn it within one day. You have to practice gradually. Learn paragraph writing, learn two paragraph writing, three paragraph, ultimately go to the full essay. So first of all, it's a complete whole. Keep it in your mind. It's not a one day game. You must have knowledge. You must know how to organize it. When you have knowledge, you need to organize it, definitely. How to organize it? You must learn, like, first of all, vocab words, vocab. Writing essay, prepare, forming essay, writing essay, you need good vocab, you need good words, you need enough words in your mind to write. So once you know vocabulary, definitely you'll be writing some sentences. Then you will then you will come to paragraph. Once you come to paragraph and you learn this skill, words you come to sentences, from sentences you come to paragraph, and from paragraph you will finally come to essays. So I don't recommend you, I won't recommend you, you should instantly after writing paragraph you come to essay. I guide you, you write two paragraph. First of all, write two paragraph, then three paragraph, four paragraph, five paragraph, and so on and so forth. You should learn. There is another method I want to guide you. First of all, we find thesis statement and we prepare outline. Okay. If you have mentor, if you have teacher, if you have trainer, if you've got coach, you should talk to your coach. He or she should teach you about introduction, how to write introduction. I have already told you, you should you should try to use from specific to journal, or general to specific. Both the method can be used. General to specific. Okay. Or even you can take plot from certain books and you can you can fit in your introduction of essay. Further, once you learn about forming, having vocabulary, and you know how to form words and word into sentences into paragraph 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth, you try to prepare introduction first. Write introduction yourself about any topic. Take it and do practice. Need at least 10 days practice about the introductions. Once you learn about introduction, move toward body. Write body of paragraph, points. Take 15 points, explain them, and then come to conclusions. And don't forget to keep coherence and cohesions in your essay. So this is what the method of writing essay. Let's discuss about most important CSS essay topic in 21st, especially 2021. So let's see. Balochistan crisis, very important essay. You must learn this about this one. And then you must learn future of democracy in Pakistan, Talibanizations. It's also, you can say that it is a theme now, Talibanizations, and women's Women's empowerment, very important. It's also a theme. Then terrorism and the role of Pakistan, energy crisis in Pakistan, water crisis, failure of democracy in Pakistan. So these topics are very important. You can learn this topic further. I just want to, you should have a bird eye view. Balochistan crisis, Talibanization, energy crisis in Pakistan, water crisis, education, foreign policy of Pakistan, art critics and reviewers, alleviations of poverty, foreign direct investment in Pakistan, failure of democracy in Pakistan. So these are the topic for the CSS student. So just learn these topics. These topics are very helpful for CSS students. Global warming, personalization of Pakistani politics, formals and the casual dressing codes, liberalism, existentialism, socio-economics, challenges faced by Pakistan, Islam versus the West and international crisis and terrorism, humor in Urdu literatures, higher science education in developing countries, the search for truth. Nuclear weapons are not only a great perils, but great hope. Peril mean danger.